Hey, Wade the massage guy, founder of Kinetic. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to release your upper back.
Once the love was strong, now I'm slow, long gone. The pain, now it's a storm. I remain holding on, 'cause I want you, 'cause I want you, I want you, I want you.
I've been thinking about you lately. Thoughts take me to when we were close. Addicted to your love, feel I need another dose. I know it's a feeling that should be long gone. Things seem to come up when I hear our song. Golden brown girl, it seems so long since I heard your voice. Where did the king go wrong? Emotions that they linger on. Guess 'cause I never knew a love so strong. So many hot girls, I need your warm. The taste of your mouth, girl, I need your warm. Food and love, I need your warm. This hit was made before we were born. A dreamer, so I'ma keep dreaming on. It's kinda like the break of a gin and this wrong.
How to trigger point. Let me break it down for you. 5 tips. First tip, direct pressure. You don't want to roll around. You want to get on a spot that's sore and hold that point. Then put movement through the particular joint. So that could be raising the arm, that could be turning the head, moving the foot. We want movement to engage the nervous system. There's a whole bunch of science about that. You've heard me talk about it. The next piece is you want to breathe deeply, expand the rib cage, breathe into the belly, in the nose, out the mouth. Once again, affecting the nervous system. Wait for the release. Be patient. I know that can be tough for some people, but you want to wait for the release. Once you have the release, move to the next spot. A minimum of 2 minutes. Hit it with some heat, hot shower, wheat bag.